Okay, the President Kagame is ruling well, and he directs the people to go in the correct way, in the health way. That's why they close the market to wait, to be patient for some times, so we can be in a good health, in a good condition. I ask my God, Allah, to save Rwanda, to save the Rwandese, and to save the top, that is Mr. Paul Kagame. Because if the top in the good condition, the people will be in a good condition.
Thank you. Today we are...
by'umwihariko ingorane zajemo nyine n'ibyaziye n'isi yose ni iki cyorezo cya corona, ariko nanone uko biri twabyakiriye uko nguko ku mpamvu z'uko nyine si icyorezo kizanywe n'umuntu umwe kiziye isi yose, nuko nyine turiho mw'ubwo buryo twirihangana.
Baramutse bafunguye kuri 19 ejo bundi ku cyumweru, wabyakira ute?
Byanshimisha cyane kuko ubuzima nyine bwaba bwongeye bukagaruka tugakomeza imikorere isanzweho.
Haramutse habaye ngombwa umushinga ikintu mba musaba n'iki?
Nje ikintu nasaba bo babasha kuba batureberera ubuzima, bibaye ngombwa ko bongeraho wenda ibyo byumweru bibiri, aho kugira ngo dupfe turi benshi babyongeraho. Ariko nanone biramutse bibaye ngombwa ko bafungura nta kibazo kuko amafaranga yarabuze.
Bayategetse yuko bazajya bayagurira muri za farumasi. Biba ngombwa rero yuko dufunga, ariko ni leta yabidukezetse kandi leta n'umubyeyi kubera icyorezo cyari kiriho.
Tugeze ku itariki 17, biteganyijwe ko bafungura tariki 19. Baramutse bafunguye witeguye iki?
Baramutse bafunguye ni byiza, urumva ni byiza kandi twakwishima, kandi haramutse n'indi minsi bongeyeho, leta n'umubyeyi wacu, urumva ibitugira inama ku manywa na nijoro. Kiriya cyorezo kiri ku isi hose, urumva ntabwo ari mu Rwanda honyine. Biterwa rero n'ukuntu ubwandu buhagaze. Bafunguye byaba ari byiza, kandi nabwo bafunze twagumya tukihangana kuko barimo kugenda badufasha batanga n'imiti. Twagiriwe umugisha rero tubona uko twinjira muri kimwe mu bipangu byo muri kazi ni kazi, ahakorera umwe mu banyamahanga, nabwo nirinze guhita mwita umuntu w'ikihe gihugu ko ntabwo ndabimenyeraza kutubwira. Hanyuma twinjira mu gipangu nyine, ni kuri depo bacuruza ibintu babyita amabaro y'imyenda, amabaro biriya bizinze, ntabwo ari amabaro y'imyenda ya caguwa, ni ibizingo by'amametero nyine abacuruza amatisu. Atwemerera kuganira nawe rero kugira ngo atubwire muri makeya uko abona ibingibi bijyanye na confinement, kuguma mu rugo, kwirinda icyorezo. Reka tudabatindiye tuvugane nawe. Hi Mr. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Can you please tell us your name?
My name is Hassan Mustafa Mohammed Habiballah.
From which country?
I'm from Sudan.
From Sudan. North Sudan or South Sudan?
North Sudan.
Khartoum.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I was thinking you are Indian or Arabic, and now I'm quite well. I'm very, very glad to know that you are African. How is Rwanda?
Oh, I love Rwanda very much because now I'm here in Rwanda 25 years.
25 years?
Yes.
Okay. What do you sell?
I'm sell this material, textile material. Yes.
Okay. How is business now?
Business these days, there is no business. Only business for food stuff and medicine. Those people can do business. But for me, no business.
We are in the period of stay at home. How do you receive it? How do you perceive it? How do you find it?
Oh, these days is very, very difficult. But we trust on our leader, President Kagame.
You don't need
This
to
is
bend. You can stay. You don't need
this
to
is
bend. You can stay.
okay. The President Kagame is ruling well, and he directs the people to go in the correct way, in the health way. That's why they close the market to wait, to be patient for some times, so we can be in a good health, in a good condition. I ask my God, Allah, to save Rwanda, to save the Rwandese, and to save the top, that is Mr. Paul Kagame. Because if the top in the good condition, the people will be in a good condition.
Thank you. Today we are 17th and it is supposed to be opened 19th. How will you take it? How will you receive it?
You know, I know the leader or the government, they know better than me. If they open on 19th, it's okay. If they open on 29, it's okay. If they are going to open next month, it's okay. Me, I have to trust the leader and what they are going to say, what they are going to tell me to do. I will be glad to follow them.
Can you describe about your loss, what you lost in this this confinement, or I say confinement, in this stay home? What did you lose? What do you think?
You know, to stay home, it gave me times to look for myself, for the life, how is it? Because I'm old man. I'm 70-something years, but I'm still strong. You see? Because the food here is good, it's clean, healthy, and the environment here also is healthy. So my loss here is not to lose some money, because money is going to come. One day the money is going to come. Now the important is not the loss of mine or the money. The important to lose some people, or to lose one person, one Rwandese. If I lose one Rwandese in this disease, I will be very sorry, very, very sorry. Money cannot recover this one person.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mustafa.
Yes.
That's what I remember about your names.
Yes, because you are still young, you can remember my name.
Mustafa.
Not old like me.
Muhammad Mustafa.
Yes, Hassan.
Hassan.
What is your good name?
My name is Jerry.
Jerry.
Yeah.
Tom and Jerry is your family?
No, Tom and Jerry. My name is Geraldine.
Yeah.
But as well as it is French and it is long, we just take it briefly, Jerry, to make it small, to make it short, so that we can help, like English people to pronounce it.
Please, I want Mr. Paul Kagame to listen to this meeting.
To listen to this?
Yes, please, because I like him, I love him. And I know he's no money Sudanese.
Okay.
Before, long time ago, my brothers told me they are together with Mr. Paul Kagame before he became president of Rwanda. In Uganda, maybe that time I was there in Uganda.
Okay.
So please, you greet Mr. Paul Kagame and you greet his government and his people. I love Rwanda, I love Rwandese, and I pray to be in safe, all Rwanda, all Africa, all the world to be in safe. And thank you, Geraldine. Thank you very much. I'm also remember your name.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mustafa Mohammed Hassan, for your interview, and we hope this interview will get there, will get to the owner, to the Mr. himself. Yes. His Excellency himself will know that you remember him. And you said your brother, what? Can you?
No, long time ago, my brothers, some brothers, they know Mr. Paul Kagame. Maybe they are his friend. Long time. That's about maybe 35 years or 40 years. I don't know him. Maybe he now remember, but he is very busy. Maybe he can't remember. I don't know. But anyway, we like him.
Can you tell us his name so that if he watch his...
No. Even myself, I told you I'm old man, 70-something years. I can't remember the names. That's a long time. This is a story in my mind, in my memory. So...
This brother, you don't remember the name?
No, this now I'm become very old, so I can't remember.
So now I don't know, but your brother, you can salute him. You can.
Yes, you know, all Sudanese like Mr. Paul Kagame because some of them comes here, they are safe.
Okay.
They try to get some business. Nobody disturbs them.
Okay.
Yes, that is why they used to come. Many of them now is here in Rwanda, and others they are going to come. Yes.
We like you brothers to come to develop our country. So thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Kusiganira byose ni ngombwa.
Njye nitwa John Bategeje. John Bategeje,
wakoraga iki? Mukora iki hano muri no mujyi?
Sanzwe turabapagasi basanzwe dukora ibigendanye n'iby'ubukarani.
Urero abantu ntabwo bakiza guhaha ngo mubashe kuba mwabatwaza, ese akazi kanyu kajemo ingorane ubona zimeze gute?
Byumwihariko ingorane zajemo nyine n'ibyaziye n'isi yose ni iki cyorezo cya corona, ariko nanone uko biri twabyakiriye uko nguko ku mpamvu z'uko nyine si icyorezo kizanywe n'abantu umuntu umwe kiziye isi yose, nuko nyine turiho mw'ubwo buryo twirihanganye.
Baramutse bafunguye kuri 19 ejo bundi ku cyumweru, wabyakira?
Byanshimisha cyane kuko ubuzima nyine bwaba bwongeye bukagaruka tugakomeza imikorere isanzweho.
Haramutse habaye ngombwa yuko bongeraho indi minsi bwo wabyakira?
Kuko imyanzuro yose n'ingamba zifatwa na leta ari nayo ifite mu nshingano mu kurinda abaturage, n'ubundi twabyakira kuko leta ikomeza. Leta irabizi neza ko ubuzima bw'abaturage busa nkaho bwahagaze, ari nayo mpamvu hatangwa n'ubufasha bumwe na bumwe ku baturage bayo. N'igihe cyose n'igihe bagomba kongeraho, leta irakomeza gufasha abaturage natwe, kandi abaturage bafashwa turimo.
Urakoze cyane.
Njyewe nitwa Mustafa.
Byonyine se?
Sibomana Mustafa.
Kabisa, ariko ashobora kuba ari umufana wa Kiyovu. Bimeze bite musore?
Ni sawa.
Uraho neza?
Yego.
Musi ni tariki 17 biteganyijwe ko tuzafungura tariki 19. Haramutse habayeho kongera gufungura, wabyakira ni ikihe kintu cya mbere wumva uzahita ukora?
Kubera twe twacuruzaga n'ubundi twe muvoma zizakomeza.
Ucuruza iki?
Twe ducuruza ibitambaro.
Hanyuma ubona ari iki cyahindutse cyangwa se nize ingaruka byakomezeho kuba utarakomeje aktivite nk'uko mbere byari bimeze?
Wenda ingaruka nawe utazibona kuko nk'abantu nk'urubyiruko ngembara kuno mwaka udupfiriye ubusa. Ingaruka nta muntu utazibona, si twe twenyine ni n'ibindi bihugu, ntabwo ari twe twenyine. Aho kugira ngo dupfe turi benshi twakirinda tuguma mu rugo, kuko nkanjye ubu ntago unsanze kure, aha ni mu rugo. Ni mu rugo. Ubwo rero ingamba bafata twazakira kuko iki cyorezo ntabwo ari twe twenyine, ni isi yose.
None se uravuga uti ni isi yose, bivuze ngo ufite amakuru yo ku isi hose. Ese ko mu Rwanda hatari ubwandu bwinshi nta kintu wenda wasaba ku bijyanye no kuba bafungura wenda mu mujyi wa Kigali gusa cyangwa se hagati mu gihugu bakaba birinda ingendo zo hanze, nta kintu wasaba kiri muri urwo rwego? Gira ikintu wumva uramutse uhuye n'umuntu ubishinzwe ubifite mu nshingano, ikintu wumva wamusaba ni iki?
Njyewe ikintu nasaba bo babasha kuba batureberera ubuzima, bibaye ngombwa ko bongeraho wenda ibyo byumweru 2 aho kugira ngo dupfe turi benshi babyongeraho. Ariko nanone biramutse bibaye ngombwa ko bafungura nta kibazo, kuko amafaranga yarabuze.
Rero duhe nyine statement ifatika tumenye yabuze mu buhe buryo, ese ntabwo wari warizigamiye?
Oya, kwizigamira nta kibazo, nkangira urabona nta kibazo mfite. Ariko rubanda rugufi barashonje pe, rubanda rugufi barashonje. Hari wari utunzwe n'icyo kiyeda, wari utunzwe n'icyo gifundi, ubwo se ababayeho hate? Abakarane hari uko rero barashonje. Wenda bizigamiye nizo nyungu bashobora no kubibona, ariko n'ikindi kintu iyi corona yasiga ku rubyiruko ni ukuba bamenya kwisevinga.
Hari amasomo koko unabikomoje urakoze cyane kwikomozaho, usibye isomo ryo gutekereza kuno no kukuntu umuntu yazizigamira, nagiye somo rindi wumva kino gihe cyashyizemo? Sibye
kwizigamira ariko umenya ko ibintu byose kwanza bishoboka.
Wabonye ko ibintu byose bishoboka?
Nta kintu kiba kidashoboka. Umuntu wakubwira ngo wirirwe mu rugo ukabona bitashoboka. Ariko birashoboka.
None birashoboka n'icyumweru kigashira.
Kimwe se ukwezi kuratobotse.
Okay, noneho rero ku masomo wenda iyo mu buzima busanzwe wize, urumva harimo kumenya ko bishoboka, ariko hari akandi kantu, ni ibihe bintu usigaye ukora utakoraga mbere y'iki cyorezo?
Naho nsigaye nahaye umwanya ikintu bita telefone. Telefone nahaye umwanya kuko niba mbyutse wenda nkakora dushe nkabona ibyo kurya nkarya, nta kindi cyo gukora sibyo kureba amakuru, asigaye nkajya kuri telefone, nta kindi kintu.
Abantu ngo batamaga igikoma bagize kukinywa, nawe urimo?
Iguma nta muntu, ubwo wenda buri wese afite uko abyumva cyangwa uko abikunda. Nkanjye kumbwira ngo igikoma icyo wanywa cyose nta kibazo, upfa kuba gitunga ubugingo bwawe.
Usigaye ufata nyakugapiga nta kibazo, nta byo kwineka.
Oya, twe n'ubundi wenda niba hari umukozi yarahagumye, niba atarahari wenda twarabyikoreraga, nuko muvoma zarakomeje. Ariko ibintu byose kwanza wumva ko bigomba gushoboka, kandi ugenda ubona ko ubuzima ni nk'igare, ubundi bisanga wicareho ujya imbere udasubira inyuma.
Sawa, urakoze cyane, turagushimiye.
Urakoze cyane.
Duhagaze rero ho bahita kazi ni kazi, ni ahantu nyine bisanzwe bizwi ko mu bihe bisanzwe atari bihe nk'ibi ngibi byo kwirinda iki cyorezo, ni ahantu ubundi haba abantu benshi ku buryo uhagera ukabona ko abantu baba ari benshi, ariko nyine ikigaragara hari umuntu umwe. Dufite rero umusore imbere yacu, wenda wabanza ukatwibwira. Muraho neza?
Muraho.
Yego. Mukorera ahangaha rero mukora iki?
Dukora muri kazi ni kazi, ducuruza ibintu bya elegitoronike, amateleviziyo, amafirigo, ibintu bya elegitoronike byose turabicuruza.
Nari mbabwiye ngo mutwibwire hanyuma amazina niba bishoboka.
Nitwa Turi ku Nkiko Manuel.
Hanyuma hashize igihe hano hatarimo nyine akazi, ese namwe mwarafunze burundu cyangwa se mwafunzeho agace, cyane ko muri kazi ni kazi hashobora ko harabaga n'ibindi bintu byakenerwa muri ibi bihe? Ubona ari ibiki byakenerwa muri ibi bihe?
Twebwe bigaragara twarafunze burundu kuko ibintu bikenerwa, amarokoro yakenerwaga muri icyo gihe cyo gufunga bayategetse yuko bazajya bayagurira muri za farumasi. Biba ngombwa rero yuko dufunga, ariko ni leta yabidutegetse, kandi leta ni umubyeyi kubera icyorezo cyari kiriho.
Noneho tugeze ku itariki 17, biteganyijwe ko bafungura tariki 19. Baramutse bafunguye witeguye iki?
Baramutse bafunguye ni byiza, urumva ni byiza, kandi twakwishima, kandi haramutse n'indi minsi bongeyeho, leta ni umubyeyi wacu, urumva ibitugira inama ku manywa na nijoro. Kiriya cyorezo kiri ku isi hose, urumva ntabwo ari mu Rwanda honyine. Biterwa rero n'ukuntu ubwandu buhagaze bafunguye byaba ari byiza, kandi nabwo bafunze twagumya tukihangana kuko barimo kugenda badufasha batanga n'ubufasha mu midugudu itandukanye.
Hanyuma ubona ari izihe ngaruka byakugizeho kuba utagikorera akazi nk'uko mbere wagakoraga?
Ingaruka zo ni nyinshi ntago zabura. Urumva uri kubona inzu ibibara, uri kubona hari n'igihe amafaranga y'inzu abakenewe ko ngubu nk'inzu ubu turafunze nk'amazu dukoreramo, ariko ntago tuzi ko niba ntago nyirinzu wamubwira ngo warafunze ashobora kuzakwishyuza itariki z'inzu zigeze. Nicyo kiduhangayikishije ahanini.
Aha ati duhangayikishijwe cyane n'ikibazo cy'amafaranga y'ubukode bw'amazu, hanyuma ku bijyanye n'ubuzima busanzwe. Ese ubona ari ukunguku bigomba kumera nyine, nta kindi kintu wumva wasaba leta uramutse ubaye uhabwa nk'ijambo ngo ugire icyo usaba, wasaba iki? Ndamutse nk'icyo nasaba, cyo nasaba byo leta burya ni iradutekereza kandi ibasha kutugira inama. Ngiye mbona iyi myanzuro yafashe, mbona ari iyo yagakwiriye ukurikije n'ibindi bihugu ukuntu bimeze, abantu barimo gupfa ukuntu, ariko ugasanga mu Rwanda ho Imana iracyaturinze ukurikije no kumvira amategeko ya leta. Twumva rero ibingibi yakoze ari byo byangombwa, kuko uri kubona n'ubufasha bari kugenda babitanga mu mudugudu, ugasanga ibyo kurya barabitanga. Urumva nkabona ari ibi ari ukunguku bigomba kumera ukurikije n'ibindi bihugu, dore ibihugu no mu bihugu barafunze. Urakoze cyane.